I'm going to make SpongeBob sugar scrubs, and then I'm going to do a sugar shack. So we'll include those together, and I hope you enjoy that. So come on into my soapy kitchen while I finish off the soapy sugary series with sugar shacks and SpongeBob. It's Jennifer from Gentle Soaps, and today we are making SpongeBob sugar scrubs. Aren't they cute? Every face is different. I'm going to have so much fun painting these up. At least I hope. I hope I can do it. We're just going to do a little highlighting. So yeah, super fun. We're doing sugar scrubs for the kids, or for the kid in all of us. I just have the 6 little cavities. If I have too many, we'll make a few sugar shacks to go with it. So we want these to be yellow, so we're going to use my yellow homemade liquid dye, and we want it nice and bright, so I'm going to use a lot of it. I've got a lot, so it's all good. Alright, so let's make sure it's nice and bright yellow. I think I want it a little brighter than that. Use quite a bit. That's better. So it's nice and yellow. So we got a nice bright yellow. And then we're going to add one of my favorite scents. And it's got a lot of pineapple in it, so I think it's going to be perfect for this. One of my most popular scents, but I never call it monkey farts because I don't like the name. Anything with fart and soap in it just is wrong, and I don't think I'm the only one out there who feels that way. But yeah, totally gonna say that. I'm cute, but yeah, kids might think it's fun. Alright, I love the scent though myself, so I go with more genteel names like, I don't know, Bunny Toots or Monkey Toots. It's the same thing. So we're gonna add the same amount of sugar as there is soap. So we're going to double it up and mix it up. Now this is probably going to harden up, and I'm going to have to melt it down again, which is fine. You don't want any sugar lumps because that'll make holes in your soap, and you want it to wear evenly as people use it. So even though this was pretty hot, that sugar cooled it down too fast. So I'll be right back because I have to run downstairs. I don't have a microwave in here yet. One of these days. One of these days. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, so I went downstairs and I got it all melted down nice. And we're just going to make sure. Now part of this I'm going to use for another project. I'm making a rainbow sherbet. So we'll have I'm just going to use an ice cream scoop. And I want the 3 colors, and I'm going to scoop it right through, so that'll be pretty fun, I hope. At least that's how I picture it. We'll see. But these are fun. Might do a few sugar shacks too. There we go. I'll definitely finish it off with the maple sugar. That's what I always do. And this one we're going to put a little bit of shimmer too. Give him those spots he needs. We'll give him spots on the other side when we get back. So let's do a few of the Sugar Shacks as well. And we're going to put a few drops of orange in there. And that'll give it the few drops of red. Where's my red? A drop of red, which will hopefully change this to a pretty orange. Just to give them a different kind of look. Yeah, that's nice. Alrighty. Yeah, I want to clean that off, but I know it's just gonna do its thing. So here go the Sugar Shacks. And these I'm going to put iridescent on top. These are going to be so pretty. At least I thought that's how I picture them. And there should be just enough in here for me to do my scoops. I'm going to make little scoops for the top of cupcakes. Little sugar scoops. Alrighty. Alright, so I took that last little leftover orange and I put a little blue on one side to try to create a green and a little pink on this side in my gel colors. And now I'm going to take a little more sugar. It's not hardening up fast enough for me. Mix it in a little bit. And parts of it are. I'm going to make scoops. I just need a place to put all my scoops. Boy, I didn't think this through. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, totally on track now. We're going to make some scoops like that. I don't know. I like that one. Try doing this, maybe. Ooh, I like that better. Let's throw those back in and scoop them again. There we go. You see how it looks like sugar? Not just because I put extra on there, but it actually looks like a traditional sugar scrub. My idea is to get like a little scoop of ice cream with my sugar scrubs, sugar scrub ice creams. And it seems to be looking pretty good. I think I would do the colors separately and then just put them together though. To look like ice cream, not just like I do this with the big one too, and I probably will. Pretty cool, huh? It definitely needs to be firm before you can do your scrub. Looks so cool. And the neat thing about this, you get every little bit of it. I think I'll take some of this purple one too and put it in there. As long as it's kind of warm, it'll squish together. And then as it dries hard, so that's why I call this stuff melt and pour magic, because I love melt and pour. People think, oh, that's the easy soap. Well, it can be easy, but it can be hard too. I've seen some beautiful artwork. I have no idea how they do what they do with their craft. It's amazing. Some of the clarity that these melt and pour creators, like there are people who make their own melt and pour soap, lots of them. Because they like knowing exactly what's going into their product. I think this is the very last one. I don't think I can make any more. I will be doing the scrub with my doohickey, but this is the last one. Okay, favorite ones. This one. I like all the pink. I like the pink. Here's a pretty green one. Really cute. You get all the crystals and stuff in that one. And another one with pink and green. So they turned out really cool. I was thinking about these last night. I have to write down my ideas in the middle of the night. It's crazy. It is an art. Okay, we're going to undo the SpongeBob sugar scrubs. Show you how those turned out. It's a different face on each one. These are kind of fun. I think I got these on Amazon. I don't remember. Somewhere. So anything that just was extra, just do that with. Got pineapple and banana, monkey fart scent, which is kind of perfect for SpongeBob. I might actually call it monkey farts or pineapple farts. I don't know. Be a little irreverent with the SpongeBob character because that's what he is. He's irreverent. So we'll be painting these. You can watch me if you'd like in the next couple of minutes. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alright, so the first one we're going to do is titanium dioxide. This is a water dispersible portion. And I'm going to use a brush that is fairly small. Just going to mix it in. And if this isn't small enough, then I will go smaller. Alright, so we're just going to do the teeth. Just going to do one thing at a time. This one is a wee bit bigger than I probably should have because I'm getting a little bit of around it and kind of I'll wash it off a little better later. I can rinse it off actually right now. Alrighty. Teeth. Alright, let's see what we can do with these sugar shacks. I do want to do a little bit of painting on these. See how cute they are. They're so, so, so cute. I'm going to put them on this little thing I've got right here. And pull all this back so you can see what I'm doing. And each of the houses, I thought they were unique, but they might all be the same. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, they're a little bit different. Different roofing tiles on this one. These are sugar scrubs. I like the hand size so I can rub right off. This one. These are a tropical fruit fragrance. All right, so I'm going to get some iridescent sparkle, and we'll put that on these. Or maybe I'll just spritz them and glitter them. I think I'll just spritz and glitter. So I've got alcohol here. And I've moistened them a little bit. And these are going to be shrink wrapped. And I'm using an iridescent glitter. And I'm going to hold it up high because I don't want it too heavy and I want it even. There we go. I'll let these dry and we'll wrap them up for my customers and in my shop. So if you want to get some of these, let me know. Of course I can do custom orders because they're easy peasy for me. And I have a few different options there. So let me know. So we'll talk to you next time. Bye for now. If I've taught you something, please click like and subscribe and come back and do this journey with me because I'm just going strong. All right, see you guys next time. This is Jennifer from Gentle Soaps, and I hope you had a good time because I certainly did. Bye for now.